Hey everyone, welcome back to WealthWise, your go-to channel for all things finance. Today, we are going to talk about budgeting and how you can create a budget that you can stick to in 2023. Part 1, Why budgeting is important. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of budgeting, let's talk about why it's important. Budgeting helps you track your expenses and income, so you can make sure you're not overspending or underspending. Budgeting also helps you achieve your financial goals, whether that's saving for a down payment on a house, paying off debt, or building up your emergency fund. Without a budget, it's easy to lose track of where your money is going and how much you need to save to achieve your goals. Part 2, How to create a budget. The first step in creating a budget is to track your expenses. You can do this manually by keeping receipts and tracking your spending in a notebook or spreadsheet, or you can use budgeting apps like Mint or Inab. These apps will help you track your expenses automatically and provide you with a clear picture of your spending habits. Once you have a clear picture of your expenses, you can categorize them into different buckets, such as housing, transportation, food, entertainment, and so on. This will help you see where you're spending the most money and where you might be able to cut back. Next, you'll want to look at your income and see how much you're bringing in each month. This will give you a better idea of how much you can spend and how much you need to save. Make sure to include all sources of income, such as your salary, bonuses, or side hustles. Finally, you'll want to set some financial goals and figure out how much you need to save each month to achieve them. This will help you prioritize your spending and make sure you're not overspending in one category at the expense of another. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, and achievable within a certain time frame. Part 3, Tips for sticking to your budget. Once you've created your budget, the real challenge is sticking to it. Here are some tips to help you stay on track. Automate your savings and bills. Set up automatic transfers for your savings and automatic bill payments to avoid late fees. This will help you save time and make sure you don't miss any payments. Use cash for discretionary spending. Withdraw a set amount of cash each week or month for things like dining out or entertainment. Once the cash is gone, you're done spending for the month. This will help you avoid overspending and stay within your budget. Review your budget regularly. Make sure to review your budget every month and make adjustments as needed. Life happens, and your budget should be flexible enough to accommodate unexpected expenses or changes in income. Reviewing your budget regularly will also help you identify areas where you might be overspending or where you can save more money. Find an accountability partner. Share your budgeting goals with a friend or family member who can help keep you accountable. Having someone to check in with regularly can help you stay motivated and on track. Budgeting can be challenging, but it's an essential tool for achieving your financial goals. By following these tips and creating a budget that works for you, you can take control of your finances and achieve financial freedom in 2023. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.